Hey, you. Let's start again. 2 seconds then. Get some water. I'll start up. Hey, welcome to 2023. Trading is going fantastic. I have no position open. I should have. I feel bad. But, anyways, we're going to have CPI today. It is in, what is it now? It's in 13 minutes, 11 minutes now. Okay, cool. Good. Boom. Well, what's going to happen? Dollar bearishness. Well, I don't hope so. That's what I believe. Because that's what the market has priced in. Radio check 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it can't be always be nice, right? It can't always be fantastic. But other than that, I hope that you are going to make tons of profits. Either way, I believe in you. No matter what I do, I hope you are better than me in trading. Why? Because I want you the best. So whatever that means, right? So if you look at consumer price index currently, is expected to be gå ned da, ditt himla komplett idiot. Sånn, takk. Compared, expected 5.7. Okay. Month over month, 0.3. Headline is 65 and 0.9 month over month. That's the headline. So the Fed looks at this one. The news looks at this one. So we look at both. But other than that, I hope that this is going to be fun. The other thing is, are we going to make trades? Are we trading today? Are we going to trade? Yes, we're going to trade if market conditions are favorable to us, meaning dollar strength. And if you have sold dollar, hope you're done already, because if it goes in your favor, you are going to have a very nice little skyrocketing market. On the flip side, I just came from another meeting. I haven't had time to eat, so today it is egg and avocado. Sorry. The hero must eat as well. So, what is your questions? Give me your questions. Come on, give me your questions. What are you guys wondering about? Are you afraid? Do you have anxiety? Do you have tons of positions open? You now think it's going to go into the toilet, or do you think like this is going to be fantastic as always? What's your deal here? But there's sound right now, people. Good. I don't know if people still says that there's no sound, but I think it is old messages. Now, while I wait for you guys to mention anything, 5 likes off. Good. By the way, there is no ads on this stream today, so make sure to give it a like instead. Trying to be kind to you, right? Good. Forex, okay. Forex Live, FX Street, financialjuice.com. Nothing open. Looking for gold bullishness and a dollar drop. I'm selling US 30. Okay. This is a dollar US prep. Average expectations sees there's a cool off year over year since moving down from 6.7 to 6.5 from 7.3 core year over year, go down to 5.7 from 6 in November. Here is what they expect. Wells Fargo 6.3, JP Morgan 6.5, ING 6.6. Okay, let's go through some market setups. If you are expecting dollar bearishness, I hope you bought earlier last week, this week, whatever. I think that I believe that the after NFP that was a bit unexpected, the velocity, but sure do. The market does what it does. Seems like CPI is more important than an NFP. That's kind of my conclusion there. Hi, Samson. Hi. Hello, Kevin. Hello, Roxana. Who else says hello? Hello, James. Jessica says, "Are you finally starting this year?" Well, it's been a rough start to this year, mate. Hello, Sudap. Sorry. Subadip, that was what I wanted to say. Hello, Baker. Hello, MeloFX. And hello, who else? Hello, everyone. So I think we're gonna go pretty much skyrocketing. That was the wrong side, actually. We're gonna go skyrocketing on dollar pairs if this is going to be true. So I don't know. I don't know what no further ado. There's still 5 minutes left. There we go. Good. Take that away. Son. So that is kind of what I want to see, but it's not necessarily what will happen. Hello, Riyadh. Hello, Charlie. Charlie, did you sell Euro Yen on M3? By the way. Hi, yes. Long time no see. That's funny. Yeah, I'm just going to mention that that yen pairs has finally gotten the strength we were looking for, and it has peaked. No, it didn't hit M3. Aussie yen hit M3. True. Yeah. Okay. CPI 4 minutes. Okay, let's be the other one. So we have that one open. Okay, wrong euro dollar. Sorry. The other question here is market? How is the market going to react? It all depends on how how much it's going to go. How big is the difference, but from the expectation? If we come in higher than expected, I think your dollar's gonna fall. So don't take the win for granted. I feel like the market's already priced in a good amount of slowdown, but nevertheless, it's still going to be a day tomorrow. It's still going to be a day in the future, and we still are not going to take everything now. There's still more in the books, more in the books in store going ahead, so that even though you feel like, well, I wish I traded now when I bought earlier or sold earlier, whatever you wish you should have done, it doesn't matter, because tomorrow we still have trades. Next week we still have trades. So yeah, is the music high, by the way? That's the only thing that I'm wondering about. That's all. 3 minutes left, or 1 minute and 55 seconds left. This is going to be a very critical, because not critical, it's going to be important. Not that important, but still important. Also, the other thing that's important is that Fed members are going to speak this week. You can see Fed's hardcore speech, Fed's barking speech, one in 17 minutes, one at 18:40, which is in 2 hours and 40 minutes. In 10 minutes. Those are also, that's the ones that you need to really look into in terms of what are they going to say. Are they going to say 25 basis point rate hike in February, or are they going to say 50? There is consumer tomorrow, yes. And I don't know why euro just rose there. Do you buy it or sell trade? I'm looking for sell, but I'm just wondering why euro went higher now. Am I like in past time that I don't know about? Or the market is just taking it? Okay. Let's go back to euro. That freaked me out a bit, but cool, fair enough. 30 seconds, give or take left. So I am looking for a sell on the euro at 107-ish. But I'm not going to take that. I'm going to wait an hour at least before that happens. Or I'm going to wait some time, and I'm not going to take it into volatility. Okay? Let's go, peeps. Let's go. 10 seconds left. We can do gold later. Don't have time to do gold now. What is it going to be? What is it going to be? What is it going to be? 5.7. 6.5. 6.5. Oh! We have the same. We have the same. We have the same. We have the same. We have just as expectations. How is the market going to react to that? Well, I do know how they're going to react to it, but I would probably not sell the dollar right now. Okay, wait a minute. Thinking about it, jobless claims is better than expected. That is. So we have now peaked inflation. I guess that's pretty confirmed right now. And we have gone from 7.1 to 6.5. That is still overall dollar bearishness. But the initial reaction in the market is dollar bullishness. Because we have already priced it in. So it's kind of already there. And when it comes to gold, gold just had a bit of a drop down, but I think we can still see it going higher for another 9 days before it might peak. So I don't know if you're a target for gold at the moment, but so far, just take a chill pill and wait. But yeah. We are way past target of the month. Okay, then I won't trade gold. Cool. So, what does this lead to? This should then lead to a couple of things. First of all, it's going to be in some volatility now, and we need to see if the market closes below 121 on dollar, 107 on euro, 163.30 on New Zealand, Aussie below 68.60, and then we'll take it from there. Yeah, weekly gold TP on gold. So gold is there is not necessarily necessary need to trade gold anymore because you are now going to experience more volatility, meaning it's going to have a potentially a lower pullback, a deeper pullback before it then starts to go higher again. So nothing that I would trade. You can trade as much as you want. Don't look for me for that, but that's that. Let's go around the world. How did the stock market react to it? Stock market has actually made a new higher high lately, and that's good. So on Tuesday, it was the bottom at London Open, New York Open. Sorry, it has risen ever since. Now we have a volatility thing here, also because we also hit target for the week, meaning that we are expecting a deeper pullback. This CPI, I think, is positive for the S&P 500 overall. I think it's positive for Nasdaq overall. Might not be like right now today. And US 30 will see generally a higher highs, but it had a bit of a market split here. What you reckon they leaked the news again prior to the release? It's a bit of a funny move prior. That is very interesting, mate. That's very interesting. I must say that. Roxana, I was about to find your. I was about to say, what did you do? And you said you made money. Good. Then you sold US 30. That's what you did. Then I'm happy. Boom. Happy for Roxana there. And that was weird. That was very weird. That needs to be investigated. I think something, or just bottom just broke on dollar. But no, that's just weird. That's just the weirdest thing I haven't seen in my entire life. Okay. Dollar bearish. There we go. No more selling there, mate. What is yen doing? Yens are actually falling. USD yen. Wow, look at USD yen. Ooh. I didn't like the setup on this one. But it went down in the end. They mentioned on Bloomberg about an hour ago, wondering whether they would see that again. Well, something needs to be investigated. That is true, to be honest. Aussie yen is actually having a pullback. Euro yen did not come up to where I kind of wanted to sell it from, but sure do. Sure do. Still looks very bullish to me though, but the reversal down here is not tested yet, so that needs to be tested. So something out there needs to be tested, and then we shall see if we can get back higher again. So what will I do now? I have absolutely no business to do. I have no business to do. Dollar's falling. Down to target for the week. And yeah, fun. Pound is currently making a high. Wrong one. It's currently making a high. It does not meet the target for the month, but it is scoring towards the weekly target. And sure, whenever that happens, that's when you can start looking for a pullback. But I think this is going to break through and go higher. New Zealand dollar, I think, is going to break through and go higher. I think Australian dollar, US dollar is going to break through and go higher. And euro dollar is going to break through and go higher. And there we go. There is the target hit on euro for the week for buyers. Thursday. So if you can get like a pullback tomorrow, then you can probably look for a buy again next week on euro. But I'm not going to do it. That is up to you. Euro New Zealand also, I think, hit some take profit there on the week. If you can just get it up, thank you very much. Yeah, there we go. Hit targets for the week. Now it's falling down again. So yeah. Euro yen coming lower. CAD yen going lower. Pound yen going lower. The other question we can then discuss: how did the yen pairs turn around? At what prices did it turn around? If you look at your yen, for example, that's just a peak. So for me, it's a bit of a weird one, like how it reversed and it just fell yesterday. I didn't catch it, and I don't feel apologetic about not taking it because it's so, I don't know. It's so toppish. It's not. Well, you can say that you probably should have sold here, Ivan. But to me, it's not something that I generally do. So I would wish that we had like a pullback like here on London. Something like that. I could have taken that. But right now, we're just lower. Overall, bearish. Bears are in control. So yeah. If we get a pullback on this one, I do not know. We are pulling back on Aussie for the moment a bit. We're pulling back a bit for New Zealand. We are pulling back a bit for pound. Does this mean that this is going to hold now and go on up forever? Maybe, maybe not. But what I would say is If you hit your take profit for the week, you get out. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. There's nothing in between. There's no hero. You don't need to play hero today. If you hit your target, that should be within 10 pips of that one. That should be your out. So you're either out there or you manually got out of it. Aussie as well is within the 10 pip range. You should be out of that one for the week if you bought it. And Euro, you should be out of it if you bought it. And now it's just a waiting game of, is it going to go higher? Is it going to close higher of today? Or is it going to go lower and then push there? Any other pairs you wanted me to cover today? Or what else should we go through? So yen pairs are way too deep. We need to look for pullbacks, but you're not having that yet. Gold hits target for the week, hits target for the month. That is now turning into a big no-go zone anymore. Thank you for joining that. And then whatever can happen next is up to them. Oil has actually risen. I think it was Andrea who sold it. I think that's a stop loss, or unless he got out a bit of profit. I have to look into that. But gold, oil to me right now is very range. And well, this doesn't happen. This doesn't, Well, we are at 78, which is a much better price for oil to be at. Leads to lower CPI. That's great. But trading-wise, a bit difficult. US 30, please. We agreed, young lady, that we do not trade US 30 anymore. So I hope you have ran away with all your money, okay? And if you're break even now, I'm not going to tell you to close that. That's not my point. But I will run away and do something else. Oh, you know. Oh, so you do know. So I wasn't talking to a ghost. We're talking to you then. All right. All right. For those who doesn't understand, she's she's not British. She's Scottish. I mean, I'm happy. I'm happy that you made some profits. To be honest, people, I'm going to be very honest with you. The current state of the market, where we are going, what are we doing, how does it look like? Do I look confused? Maybe I'm confused. Maybe that's kind of what is currently happening in my life. There's a lot of other things happening. But I still haven't gotten what I wanted. So if you can call it confusion, call it confusion. I'm still waiting for my setups. So until then, I just need to relax and chill and take a chill pill and enjoy the moment that we are in. The market is moving, everything is okay, but it doesn't really bother me. And you can see me hitting these things, like hitting targets, and honestly don't care. I honestly don't care. It doesn't interest me to throw money at the market that might lose. Okay, so we're going to take this stream today. We're going to plan for next week. We're going to plan for now. Dollar pairs has hit take profit. We will have to see, is that continuing now, or is that going to stop? So if you are a trader and you didn't take profit of on those weekly targets, and you now see market falling down, I hope that you have learned a lesson. Yesterday I mentioned in the A1 trading Discord, is there anyone who needs help? I will talk to me. And somebody told me that they somebody said that there's more than one person, by the way. So if you feel like it's you, it's more than you. One person or a character, an avatar that I haven't met, sold around here. The person came to me and asked, why did pound dollar go against me? But I'm saying to that avatar, that person, those people, that why are you selling there? That's not a setup. That's not a setup we have been trading to do. That's not a setup we are planning to do. That's not what we're here for. That's emotional trading. So if you're out there who you sold 1900, 119, 118 on Friday, and you didn't get out, I feel for you. But you need help. So I just want to say there's mentorship available in the links in bio. And that's where I help people. That's where I spend my time. I want to change 2023. I want to be more hands-on trading, not so much hands-on mentorship. Things have slidded in 2022 that I do well. I'm not live streaming when I am trading, but I will try to do that this year. That's my manifest for this year. Is I'm going to do more live trading. I'm going to trade more live, and I'm going to do my trading when I'm live and try to. I guess my streams will be a bit more random because I will need to be there when the market does it and not when I feel it. Okay. Other than that, I did not get what I wanted on pound, on dollar, pairs in general. It has hit target. So if you are dollar bear, you should be out and in profit. Market can still continue to go higher after this. But I would be very cautious. Okay. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. And hopefully live tomorrow as well. I can't guarantee anything, but I am going to make a change. Okay. We're going to make a change. Cool. Boom. See you soon.